This is Karen. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. I need a help for the sewage.
Sorry?
I need a help for the sewage problem.
Oh, have you?
Yes.
Okay. What's your address?
That's East
Yeah.
number
Yeah.
Huntingfield Drive.
Huntingfield, is it?
Number Huntingfield. Yeah. You got that?
Yes, I have. Who am I speaking to?
My name is Bang.
And your phone number, please?
My phone number here. Why you need my phone number?
Well, just as a contact.
I give you mobile.
Okay.
Okay, I don't like to give our home address.
Well, you've already given me your home address.
No, home phone. I'm sorry.
Oh,
I
home
don't like
phone.
to. Okay, so do you just want the number?
Yes, please.
04.
Yes.
Do you get that?
04, yep.
Yeah. 05.
Yes.
91.
Sorry.
What's the problem? Sorry.
No, I don't know. It's just a noise that keeps coming through the phone.
Yeah, sorry. I'm just having my lunch.
Oh, okay.
Perhaps you can hear me eating.
I sort of can a little bit.
Okay, so the number is
It's 0405.
05.
Yeah. 91.
Yeah, 91.
Yeah.
Seven.
Yeah.
You got that?
7.
3.
3.
Okay, but what you gonna do? Because I got stuff coming up everywhere.
Have you?
All through the sink and the basin.
Ooh.
Absolutely disgusting.
Is it? This wouldn't be a gotcha call, would it?
I think it is a gotcha call.
I think it might be a gotcha call. Am I speaking to Matt Tilley?
Yes, you're speaking to Matt Tilley.
How are you, Matt Tilley?
I'm good. How are you, Karen?
I'm very well, thank you.